first Otis HydroFit MRL. This has got to be a HydroFit MRL. Machine roomless hydro. I never knew this elevator existed here. This is not far from the Eastmark Center, which is unfortunately closed and being gutted, I think, I'm not sure. And the elevator is original, but it looks like it's completely out of service. I mean, I'm talking about the Eastmark Center with the old vintage Houston elevator from 1979 with the EPCO fixtures, but that's beside the point. Anyways, listen to this motor. That is loud. All right, there it goes in. That's it.